Hi everyone, today I have a love story video for you. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, like, comments, and check out my other videos. Opening scene. A lovely romantic melody fades into the scene of Amina and John's first encounter. Text. Once upon a time in the hustle and bustle of life, Amina and John's paths crossed, creating a love story worth sharing. Scene transition. A montage of smiles and joy throughout Amina and John's early encounters. Intro. From the first exchange of glances to the shared laughter, their connection blossomed, proving that love knows no boundaries. Cut to Amina and John's voyage through a variety of encounters, exploits, and difficulties. Voiceover. They turned ordinary experiences into remarkable memories. As they navigated life's twists and turns together, their love just became stronger as they experienced highs and lows. Highlight reel. Moments of Amina and John supporting one another, having fun, and making memories. Voiceover. The love tale of Amina and John is proof of the strength of friendship and steadfast support. They remained at one another's sides, holding hands and forging an unbreakable connection. Scene transition. John and Amina encounter obstacles, although they always overcome them together. Voiceover. They discovered strength in one another when faced with obstacles. Their relationship turned into a ray of hope, demonstrating that love is a vow to stick with one another no matter what. Muhammad Samir Ibrahim is my name. Love you, everyone, my admirers.